Hey guys, so here's a question for you. Is there such thing as a Lemko flag and a Lemko anthem? The answer to both questions is yes. Want to find out more? Keep on watching.
Study. It's my Lemko style.
So, the Lemko flag looks like this. It has its origins as being the flag of the Lemko Rusin Republic, which existed between 1918 to 1920. And nowadays, you can see the flag at various Lemko events. You can see its colors used in different forms, such as on t-shirts, on a cross, or even say a Lemko YouTuber's intro theme. In the Prešov region and Zakarpattia, Rusins have a different flag, which looks like this. At some Lemko events, you will see both flags flying side by side. Now let's talk about the anthem. The Lemko anthem is Na Lemko Veni. Ivan Rusenko wrote the words to the song, and Yaroslav Trokhanovsky wrote the melody. Some people might regard the song Hore Nasze as the anthem. However, Hore Nasze was created as the official song of the ensemble Lemkovina. While it is still a patriotic song and it is appropriate for people to stand up when it is being sung, Hore Nasze is not the anthem. Now let's take a look at the lyrics of Na Lemko Veni. The lyrics to Na Lemko Veni originate from Ivan Rusenko's poem by the same name. The original words are shown here. Na Lemko Veni v starom kraju. In Lemkovina, in the old land. Shumjat smereka I jalechi. The spruce and fir trees are making noise. Pobidnu pishnyu oni hrayut. A victorious song they are playing. Od Uzhhoroda do Szczawnici. From Uzhhorod all the way to Szczawnica. I chremed chor Karpatskych chor. And the choir of the Carpathian Mountains rumbles. V daleku dal het plune. And the sound travels far off into the distance. V Karpatach dnes narod voskres. Today in the Carpathian Mountains a people have arisen. I pravo yoho neschhne. And their rights will not perish. Mohuchi chor Karpatskych chor. The mighty choir of the Carpathian Mountains, Nai viter nese vo vshi strane, let the wind carry its sound in all directions, Nai pride čas, nai už I v nas, let the time come, and let it be for us, zdoptana pravda vstane, that the forgotten truth will now be known. Na Lemkovini I v Talerhofi, in Lemkovina and in Talerhof, nevina krov prolata, innocent blood was shed, nai v našich serčach na vse ostane pamjatka vichna I świata. Let the eternal and holy memorial forever remain in our hearts. When singing the anthem, some minor modifications have been made to the lyrics. They are as follows. In the first verse, the word staram has been replaced with the word nasham, which means our. In the third verse, the words vshi strane have been replaced with the words wszystkie strony. There is no change in meaning. And lastly, the third verse is sung after the fourth verse. Here is a video produced by Len.fm that shows how Na Lemko Veni is sung.
Na Lemko Veni w naszym kraju. Могучий гор, Карпатський гор, найвітер несе вовшитки сторони. Най прийде час, прийде, най усіх нас правда, зоптана правда стане. Най прийде час, прийде, най усіх нас правда, зоптана правда стане. Могучий гор, Карпатський гор, най вітер несе вовшитки сторони. Най прийде час, прийде, най усіх нас правда,